how to fix Facebook incorrect password. So if you go and open up your Facebook, and then if you go to the login page, here you will have your mobile number or email address, and then you have to enter your password, right? So if you're facing a problem with the incorrect password, then you have to simply tap on forgotten password, and then you can enter your mobile number, or you can also tap on search by email address instead, and then you can enter your email address, and after that tap on find account, and here you will have all of those accounts which are linked to that mobile number. So you can choose any one of that account, and then after choosing here you will have a bunch of options. So you can get code through your WhatsApp, or you can get code through your Facebook notification, or you can also get code through your link, that is your SMS on your mobile number, or you can also get link through email. So you can choose any one of these options, and then you can tap on continue, and after that you will receive a code on your mobile number or email address, any option that you have chosen, and then you have to enter that code here, and after entering that you can change your password again, and after changing you can log into your account. So that was one fix to your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to check your internet connection, like if you have a stable internet connection or not. So in some cases, if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find that kind of problem. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.